I think you already know that if you want to improve your English speaking skills, you have to actually practice, right? Studying grammar will never improve your speaking skills. Listening to English alone will never improve your speaking skills. You have to actually speak. But what if you don't have someone to talk to in English? Then how can you practice? So hello everyone, this is Saqib and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I will be sharing few steps that will literally improve your speaking skills. And all those steps that I'm going to suggest to you in this video have been implemented by me too. I have personally implemented them in my journey and it's really worth it. And as someone who was in a Hindi medium school but learned this language and became proficient in English, so trust this approach and you will literally love to see your improvement. And I know that your attention span has been decreased. You don't like to watch the long video. You just want everything's knowledge in just fraction of second. But if you are going to watch this video till the end, you are going to get lots of ideas. So watch this video patiently till the end so you can get those ideas. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and find out like what are those ideas that he is talking about. So first of all, you are supposed to do is imitation. Well, when I say imitation, I'm not talking about repeating the exact same sentences or phrasal verbs. I'm talking about expressing yourself on your own. So let me give you an example and make you understand. Suppose that if a speaker is saying, when I was a child, I would go to a school every day. So if a speaker is saying this sentence, you don't have to repeat this exact sentence. You have to make sentences on your own. Let me give you an example and make you understand like what you have to do. So you have to say, when he was a child, he would go to a school every day. You have to make this sentence. Like you have to express yourself on your own. And instead of just expressing yourself on short sentences or phrasal verbs, try to express yourself on thoughts and ideas. If a speaker is saying some ideas, then stop at the end and then try to express over there. And you can also express yourself on entire speech or entire video, whatever you have watched. So it's like this. That's how it works. So I'm not going to suggest you any kind of imitation technique right now, but I will say combine them together and start with easy. Means first try to express yourself on short sentences or phrasal verbs, and after that try to express yourself on thoughts and ideas, and after that try to express yourself on entire speech or video, whatever you have watched. So that's how it works. And this technique is called implicit learning. That's how the babies and children learn their language grammar rules in their childhood. So that's how it works, and you are also going to get lots of idioms and phrasal verbs for day-to-day conversation, literally. So if you will do this, you are literally going to improve your speaking skills alone, literally. So go for it and try to imitate others and learn from them and be improved. You know what happens when we imitate others? We learn the grammar, but we are not aware of that we are learning grammar because we are more focused on communication, not on the grammar. That's how we learnt our mother tongue's grammar in our childhood. So now you got to know. So please imitate, like every day. It will really improve your speaking skills if you are alone, if you want to improve your speaking skills alone. So go for it and imitate every day. So let's come to the next step. So next step is read aloud. Yeah, you have to read aloud and you have to grasp knowledge while reading. And after reading the full story while reading aloud, you have to grasp knowledge and you have to express yourself on your own at last. Yeah, I do this when I go and give tuition to my children. I read aloud and I make them understand in Hindi. But you don't have to express yourself in Hindi. You have to express yourself in English. Because you are learning English, so you have to express yourself in English. If you will do this every day, you are literally going to improve your speaking skills. And you are literally going to improve your forming sentences power. And you are literally going to improve your pronunciation, like overall proficiency level. And I do this because I want to improve my storytelling. So that's why I read aloud and I grasp knowledge and then I make them understand in Hindi. So if you will do this, it will literally improve your overall proficiency level. So go for it and try to improve yourself by reading aloud. And do this every day. Okay, so go for it. So let's come to the next step. So next step is record yourself. Like when you will record yourself, you are going to get corrected. So let me tell you how you can do this. So when you have inculcated knowledge on any topic, or you have grasped knowledge while reading aloud the story, then you can speak. Then you can speak about that. Then while speaking, you can record yourself. Like whatever you have learnt, you have to speak in front of the camera and then try to express yourself over there. And after recording yourself, try to recheck your recording, that whatever mistakes you have made, and correct them. So when you will correct them, you are going to be improved, because when we correct mistakes, then it is like we are improving. So improve yourself by correcting yourself, and by making your video and by recording your audio. It will literally improve your speaking skills, and you are literally going to improve your overall proficiency level too. So go for it and try to record yourself every day, make it your habit, and be improved. And if you are done with this kind of thing, if you think that I have become confident speaker, I can speak confidently to myself, then try to speak on any application. Like there are so many applications, but I'm going to suggest you an application that is really good. It has so many features. You can get connected with 4 lakh plus active learners. That application name is CV, and I'm going to put link in the description. You can download from there. So go for it and download and make yourself a fluent speaker. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and make sure that you did it, because when you do this, the YouTube and the algorithm blesses me and it goes like, this video is cool and more people should watch this. And it really helps me out and it really helps out others. So it's a win-win for everyone. So if you are lurking here, then consider subscribing, and until next time, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye for now.